Good morning to all of you. Andariki Shubhodayam. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sukha. This video relates to claiming of maintenance under section 125 crpc by a well-educated wife against her husband who is a government servant and earning well. Rajasthan High Court Justice Farzanand Ali in the case of Ritu Khatri versus Navneet Kumar. This is CRLM number 1083 by 2024. On 20th January 2026, held that educated wife cannot get high maintenance just because her husband earns well. Her husband is well off. Right. Therefore, Honorable High Court declined to raise or to enhance the maintenance amount despite the husband is reportedly earning 1.5 lakhs per month. Because the court clearly held that 125 CRPC is meant for, the maintenance order is meant for the so-called minimum maintenance. But it is not for income sharing. Maintenance is meant for reasonable support but not income sharing. This is what is stated by the High Court. Alright. Now coming to the facts of the case. As usual, the marriage was performed, the marriage was performed on 2/10/2019 as per Hindu rites in some Gurudwara like thing in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Of course, further it is an arranged marriage. The family and parents, most of them attended, and generally just like the marriage gifts, jewelry and other articles were also presented. Of course, husband says no dowry was given, no dowry was demanded also, and he has given a statement to his office that he has not taken any dowry. But after the marriage, wife alleges that the husband and her mother-in-law, they started harassing her, and of course, even though she is a BEd, MEd, NET aspirant, so many things, but she was subjected to the harassment. Therefore, the marriage was broken within 57 days of the marriage. 2 నెలలు కూడా పూర్తిగా కాపురం నిలబడాల. Right. Therefore, following this breakdown, following the separation, she has approached the family court and asked for the so-called maintenance. This is family court located in sriganganagar. Okay. The matter was inquired into. Ultimately, family court ordered 8,000 rupees per month as maintenance to be paid to her. Right? But she has approached the High Court to enhance the amount as the husband is a government employee. He has got a professional standing and high salary. Right. Now, here the husband, he has vehemently, on behalf of the advocate, on behalf of the husband, the advocate argued vehemently that maintenance is to be assessed on the overall circumstances, not on the marriage. See how many days she was there in the family for only 15 days. That also should be taken into consideration. Right? Overall circumstances including the short duration of the marriage and the wife's educational background, because she is also BEd, MEd, NET and other things. Now Honorable Justice held that maintenance proceedings cannot be converted into the claim for sharing the property. That is what is stated in the earlier statement also. Higher earnings do not automatically translate into higher maintenance. ఎక్కువ డబ్బులు వస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి ఎక్కువ మెయింటెనెన్స్ అడగటం అనేది కరెక్ట్ కాదు. and that too period of my marital life. It lasted only within 15 days. So kabatti 8,000 is enough, amma. You are already well educated. So there is no illegality or perversity in the judgment of the on the order of the family court. We are totally concurring with the family court judgment. So therefore no enhancement. Penchedi లేదు పమ్మన్న. కాబట్టి what you have to understand is, even though husband is well earned, husband is having, but maintenance ko haddu ఉంటుంది. Maintenance is only for reasonable support, but not for sharing of the income of the so husband. ఇదన్నమాట. దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్. సరే, ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ మీకు అన్నీ చాలా చూసే ఉంటారు. గతంలో కర్ణాటక హైకోర్టు కూడా వైఫ్ వెన్ షీ ఆస్క్డ్ ఫర్ 5 lakhs మెయింటెనెన్స్ పర్ మంత్, కోర్టు కూడా మిట్టుతో కొట్టినట్టు చెప్పింది. ఏమిటమ్మా ఇది నువ్వు అడిగేది కరెక్టేనా కాదా అని. కాబట్టి ఈ మెయింటెనెన్స్లో కూడా దేర్ విల్ బి సమ్ లిమిటేషన్, దేర్ ఆర్ సర్టన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్, overall circumstances will also be taken into account while awarding the maintenance. So please read the case law and enrich your legal law. Thank you very much.